say AI cannot replace Asake. Okay, let's talk about that. So with music, AI is replacing a lot of things. So again, this is not the first time. Music production, for example, you see cases where in 5 minutes, I can literally share my screen, open my Logic software, and create a beat for you in 5 minutes. That same beat used to take days in the 70s, right? Because what would people need? They need to come up with like a studio, you bring the instruments themselves, then you put mics on each instrument, and then you balance the sound. And then every time somebody plays in that mic, the sound goes to a big computer. Many of these computers were as big as some rooms, right? And then that sound is processed and then computed, and then that sound is mixed, right, and balanced before it is now brought out as, oh, it's a sample, it's a .wav file. Now your laptop, your basic MacBook, is able to do that in a matter of seconds nowadays, right? So this is not the first time that they are striking music. So again, music will never go away, but there are elements within music that will change. I can write a song, for example. I can write a song with the help of AI in seconds now. I can put in a prompt and say, AI, I need you to play the role of a Grammy award-winning songwriter and write me a love song with 4 lines, right? Set in this tone, right? It's 2 friends. I tell a little story, and AI will churn out music. I can use that, can help me write better music. Musicians will never go away, but I can tell you for free that the ones that will not take advantage of technology, they will move out quickly, right? So, I mean, I'm an Asake fan, so I don't think that AI can really do what Asake is doing. But I won't be shocked if Asake is using AI in writing. I won't be shocked, right?